Hi everyone, AJ Dixon here, your Renison ELI student advisor, here to talk to you today with today's 2-minute tutorial about joining virtual events and activities. Renison ELI's virtual events and activities are a great way to meet other ELI students, practice your English, and build important skills that will help you to succeed in your educational and professional life. To join our events, open your web browser and go to uwaterloo.ca/eli/virtual. On our virtual events page, you'll find a variety of information. This includes events for this week, a video description of our events, a list of future events for next week and subsequent weeks, and important notes about our events. Some things to keep in mind include that our events times are all listed in Eastern Time, which is the time zone for Waterloo, and that the majority of our events use the Zoom app. If you don't have the Zoom app on your device, visit your app store or go to zoom.us to download the Zoom client. Once you have found an event you would like to join, all you have to do is click the link and the Zoom app should automatically open on your device. Once you have joined the event, we encourage you to participate. It's a great way to meet new people as well as practice your English language skills. That's it for today's 2-minute tutorial. If you do need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact me at aj.dixon@uwaterloo.ca and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day.